Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here, having a walk and talk. Today I want to talk about speed. And not the stuff, well, it's called speed kills. Like, this guy you can hear buzzing by me. There's a shot of him. You know, that road's only 35. He's going about 55. But everyone does it. Because why? Because, well, people are selfish and they think that they have to get somewhere faster than other people. I drive a lot. Road trips. Speed limit 70. I go about 75. I see guys whipping by me about 100, 110. For what? They're going to arrive in the destination 20 minutes before me. They're going to risk killing their families, killing themselves, killing other people. Because the reaction time going 70 versus 100 is a lot different. There's another one speeding. Look at another douchebag. Just some asshole. It's just not worth it when you're going fast all the time with speed. It's going to kill you inside. It's going to give you anxiety. It's going to give you stress. And again, it's not worth it. And if you get pulled over by a cop, it's going to take money out of your pocket. I've seen cops. I've talked to cops. I know cops that are livid with people who speed like that. Why? Because they've had to be the recipients of having to see the results of that speed and see dead people being pulled out of cars that are twisted and mangled because some jerk-off thinks that he needs to get home 20 minutes before you and deserves to be there faster than you. Here's another jerk. This guy's the biggest asshole of the day. Look at this guy. Speed kills. And it's not just that kind of speed. Of course, the drug speed is bad. Don't do any of that. But just, again, you don't need to go a million miles an hour to enjoy life. In fact, that's one of the problems today. Everybody's in a hurry to get someplace. People don't relax. They don't stop and smell the flowers. Smell that one. Smell that one. Smell that one. So, next time you're on the road and you're kind of in a rush, too bad. Be late. Get there 10 minutes later, but don't speed. And the next time you see someone doing that, speeding, well, maybe say a little prayer for him because there's something wrong with him. Because anyone who speeds is selfish and just looking for bad stuff. So think about that one. Slow down, enjoy life, and watch my videos at Live Life 365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, peace. Oh, look at, see how nice this is?
Live life 365.
See, no one's speeding. Nice and relaxing. I think I might have used the F word earlier. Apologies. Bye-bye.